Hello everyone. This video is to show how to set up Angular on your local environment, which is a PC or laptop. Let's get started. To set up the Angular environment, so we can go to angular.io website and get started. There are instruction to and if you see the left navigation, there's a setup menu. So these are the steps we need to perform to set up the Angular working environment on your local desktop or PC. To execute or to run the Angular applications, we need Node.js to be installed on your laptop. To check whether the Node.js has already been running on your machine or not, we can open up the command prompt and type node -v. So it says node is not recognized and internal or external command. That means node.js is not installed on your machine. So first let's just set up the node.js. To set up the node.js, we can go to nodejs.org and you can download the latest version or the most stable version, whichever the version is you would like to install. You can click on it and then it will download. So I'm going to install the recommended most stable version. So it downloads the MSI file. I can execute the MSI. This is going to install the Node.js on my computer. Once it's installed successfully, I can verify it is executed, installed successfully or not. Okay, the installation is successful. I can go open the command prompt again, type node -v. Now you can see the version of Node.js installed on your machine. It's up and running on your computer. Close this one, close. We are done with Node.js. Going back to again Angular. The setup local step. So Node.js step is done, and then the first step to install the Angular CLI prompt. So I can just open up the command prompt and type the npm install -g at angular/CLI. So it's going to download the latest Angular framework and install on your local machine. This will take few seconds to install. So it's asking would you like to use the anonymous data Angular under the yes. Okay, so the Angular the basic packages got downloaded and installed on your laptop. Now we can create a brand new, the first application of a new application. To create the new Angular application, you can type ng new first app. So it's going to create a new application. For this first application, I'm not going to use the router, so I can just say no. So it's actually creating all the necessary folder structure for the first application. This is going to be like taking few seconds. once it's been set up successfully, I can go ahead and move to the folder. It's installing all the required packages. Okay, the application is created. I can change direct to the first application and then start the Angular application by typing ng serve -open. So it's going to start the Angular application and open up the home page. There you go. So it's actually running on the port number 4200, and this is my first application home page. This is the default page. It opens up. That's very simple to set up the Angular on your computer. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.